I follow Jesus too. I love Jesus. I believe He's the Messiah. But do you believe He is God Himself?
I know.
Okay, but look in the Bible.
In the Bible, you don't believe
in the Bible. Because you believe in the Bible.
100%.
It says, for there is one God and one mediator between... See, this is kryptonite for Christians.
No.
You believe in the Bible. Let me just read one
Jesus
verse
is
to you.
Messiah.
Let me just read a verse to you.
Quran.
Listen.
Look at that.
We believe He's the Messiah.
2025, the Christian year.
Listen.
A man divides history.
Listen.
That's Jesus.
Hello. You're not talking to me. You're talking to them. Talk to me. All right?
Jesus is Messiah.
In your Bible,
the Son of God.
it says there is one God and one mediator. See?
Yes.
One mediator between God and man.
Yes.
He's not God. See, it says one God and one mediator between God and man. Not that He's God. Jesus was lower than the angels in the Bible. How can God be lower than the angels?
John chapter 1.
How can he's just going back to John chapter 1?
Everything that was made,
how can God be lower than angels?